Hello and welcome to yet another case study by Blusteak Media. In this case study, we'll be discussing on how we got 50% monthly follower growth in just 4 days for one of our client by the name Fastfix. So talking about the brand Fastfix, they are into mobile and laptop repairs, and they provide um, mobile repair within 10 minutes and laptop repair within 30 minutes around in around 8 locations in New Zealand. So the brand concern was that they have very low engagement rate and very low follower growth on Facebook and Instagram. So our challenge was to increase their engagement rate and follower growth rate. And for this we have two solutions, one each for Facebook and Instagram. So on Facebook we started Facebook like page like campaign. We experimented actually with a lot of designs, lot of designs, as in like we were trying for mobile repair, laptop repair, tab repair, client reviews, etc. And out of which these two designs were actually doing very well this month, especially the before after design uh, performed very well. The performance metrics is as shown. So in the month of July, within 10 days, we could achieve the goal of 100 page likes with a cost per page like at 0.58 New Zealand dollars. And in the month of August, within 4 days, we could achieve the goal of again more 100 likes at a cost per page like of 0.69 New Zealand dollars. So our budget was of around $100 each for each month, and we could still have around 30% of budget left in hand with more than 25 days to go in the month of August. So this was for page like campaign on Facebook, and the second for Instagram follower growth rate is giveaway contest. So in the giveaway contest, actually we do giveaway contest every month wherein we ask people, we ask audience to do few tasks and answer few questions, and one lucky winner gets a hamper. The catch being they have to follow the page as well. So in this giveaway, we actually reached out to marketing teams of each and every mall which the store is located at. So we asked them to even share on their social media, on their Instagram page, on their Facebook page, that we are doing a giveaway contest. And this in turn did very well for us. We got more than 50% increase in follower count than what was projected for the month. So yeah, in this way we could actually achieve a page likes on Facebook and followers on Instagram for fast fix plan. Yeah, so yeah, this is it uh, from the case study part of view. Hope you like this case study and keep following us for more such content. Thank you.